Friends, hello. We are at Triveni Art Gallery. So we have this artist Shabir is with us. So we'll now ask Shabir to tell us about his work here. And this is displayed, this is April. So what day till the 30th April last? It's on till 30th. Yeah. So if you could talk about your work and all.
This is my back-to-back second solo. I had a solo last year in Bikaner House. So this is a second one. So, and the theme is the same.
Right.
Last year also it was on mythology. Mythology based. This time, again it's on mythology, but plus metaphors, you know. So, because in like you have your folklores, folk tales. So I'm, with mythology I'm trying to juxtapose mythical stories and or biblical stories and fables, like folklores in our, like we have Jataka stories in India. Those are mythology is very deep, There are a lot of symbolic things, symbolic images which I am trying to use because my inspiration is mythology, whether it's Indian or Egyptian or Greek, or that matter even Kashmir mythology. It's a little different, So I take inspiration from that, and then you have your childhood memories, Since childhood you keep hearing from your elders, like your grandparents, your uncles, they tell you some stories, which are myths.
Registered.
Yeah, they are myths, but I feel somehow that myth is not just myths. Some things are like history which are not recorded, which
Right.
are not
True.
documented.
Very true.
They need some kind of research, We have to research and find out if there's some historical truths there. So we have not excavated or archaeologically we have not done so much. So we need research. So I try to find that vocabulary in this mythology, and everybody, like I'm 62 now, so I have my own thought process.
Yes.
So which is like I try to find parallels with the contemporary world. So what has happened in the past, like in the mythology. So mythology is also kind of history, So I'm trying to find parallels, what we are missing now and what we had now, what we don't have now.
Yeah, so you're bringing things to life.
Yes, I'm
Wonderful.
bringing things to life.
And since we were talking, you said you were you done your Bachelor in Fine Arts from College of Art.
Yeah.
So something about the, means how did you get into this, being an artist? Why did you choose that?
See, my father was a painter, very famous.
Mr. Santosh.
G.R. Santosh.
Right.
So basically, I was born into that atmosphere since my childhood days. So, and all these famous artists like Satish Gujral or Ramachandran, for that matter, Krishan Khanna, Shanti Dave, so they used to come to our house, every now and then. There used to be parties, and that time, about 20, 30, 35 years back, the whole artist
Fraternity
was very close.
Yes,
Like they
yes.
were, I mean, the writers, even art critics and painters, they
Sit
were,
down together.
yeah, they will sit and discuss, and that discussion was highly philosophical and very deep.
Yeah, very intellectual,
Very
that
intellectual.
process.
And I never used to miss those opportunities. Like I used to love playing, cricket and football. But the day those people would come to see my father, like all the big artists, I would never leave my house.
Yeah, so you decided to follow your
Yes,
father's
I would
footsteps.
listen to them, because intellectually you gain a lot of knowledge.
Yes,
from
yes, wonderful.
This is very important.
True. We'll say is Archana Khare, right?
Yeah.
So what she's
Archana
talking
Khare,
about?
She's actually curated this show,
Okay, lovely.
and she's also written a curatorial note in the
Excellent.
catalog.
Good, good.
So, and she recently curated a very big show of Vimal Das Gupta.
Oh,
So she's been this year I had asked her to write about me.
wonderful.
On this show. The last year, the solo which I had in Bikaner House, that was curated by Uma Nayak.
Okay, wonderful. So we'll just move, and we wanted to know how was the Corona times. Please come. How was that time? How was the pandemic? Because I met a lot of artists. We met at IFEX and Habitat, Visual Arts. So there was a stream of artists. जो प्रोफेशनली और कुछ थे, डॉक्टर्स थे, बट डॉक्टर्स भी कुछ लोग घर पे बैठे थे. So once they got into Corona, then they pick up the brush, you know.
No, same thing. I was at home.
Yes.
We couldn't go out. So everybody was like, पता नहीं कल क्या होगा, you know.
We thought
होंगे कि नहीं
नहीं,
होंगे.
we thought कि it's going to be permanent. Second wave में तो we thought it's permanent.
But I had a lot of work in that time.
Right. So you have some work here. Can we see that?
Those
Please.
three works, you know.
Please tell us. Yeah.
See, the show which I had last year, because I didn't have the amount of works we put, so we were left with these three works. There was no more space to display them. So I took them back, and this time I am showing them, and they have been done during COVID time. And in COVID, during COVID, because at that time all the birds and a lot of.
मैं देख रहा हूँ वो जो hen है.
Not only this work particularly is little erotic. You know?
Right.
So it's not particularly for during that time. I did.
Yes.
Erotic. I had that. You know, it's a thought. You know?
Yes.
So, but these works are more towards that time, because at that time I could feel that.
Spiritually, I think.
Because
some sort of
human beings were feeling as if we won't survive, but animals had not that danger.
Right.
They were not.
They didn't know what happened.
But they were safe.
Safe.
We were like vulnerable that time. पता नहीं हम बचेंगे नहीं बचेंगे.
So you're trying to capture that.
And because now I feel that the kind of the way we are trying to destroy our nature.
Yes.
We are very. We don't have compassion anymore. We are really doing a lot of cruelty towards animals, and we are destroying the whole atmosphere. Like the cities are expanding. There is no space left for animals, birds, jungles. हमने काट दिए. There are no water bodies. So the animals are coming towards the cities,
right?
And we are going to the jungles. So we are intruding into their space.
Yeah. Actually, I should not say please come. In fact, आदमी जो है ना, आदमी का दुश्मन बन चुका है. एनिमल्स का तो मतलब, इनफैक्ट वो एनिमल्स में तो कुछ ढूंढ रहा है.
We have to coexist.
Yes.
We have to coexist, and it's
This is lovely.
This is there. You know, there's an underwater figure, a kind
Right.
of mermaid, you know, which is just going down, and
Yes,
there's a
yes.
male figure which is pulling it up. You know.
Okay. Wonderful. Lovely. This is beautiful. I think, you know, means I've seen so many exhibitions in the last 30, 40 years. This is excellent work. We'll move to this side. Anything you want me to ask, stop, and then we'll just.
This time I have tried to, you know, explore this color.
Okay.
Purple and mauve. It's a very tricky color to use.
Yes.
Generally, artists refrain from using this color, but I have tried to use it this time.
No, it's come the essence. निकल रहा है उसका. This is a pet, I think. Is it a pet?
Yeah, there's a
Yeah.
it's a cat. Yeah.
It's a cat.
But if you see little closely, there's a bird also here.
Yes, yes.
And birds and cats don't go together.
Yes,
वो खा
yes.
जाएंगे
खा
उसको.
जाएंगे उसको.
But that's what I'm trying to. We have to coexist, you know.
True, true.
And mythology teaches us that.
Yes.
Because in mythology we have some mythical creatures which are half human, half bird, half human, half animal.
The unicorn we had.
Yeah.
Oh, there is lovely. It's beautiful. So what else do you paint other than जो अभी इसमें this exhibition? What other things are you have been experimenting
I
on?
do a lot
You have
of
a long history.
I do a lot of landscapes.
Landscapes.
And I do landscape photography.
Okay.
I'm doing that since last 15 years.
So what cameras are you using?
I'm using Nikon
Okay.
Z7
Right.
and 2470.
So you travel.
I travel to Kashmir. I'm doing work on Kashmir particularly last 15 years.
So you're going back now?
I'll be going next month.
Next month.
And I'm planning a solo photography exhibition.
Where? Is the next here itself?
In Triveni, and I'll do a book launch. I'm planning to do a book.
You're writing a book? Or
I'm trying
somebody's
to-
writing for you?
Somebody will write, but I'll make a coffee table book of my work.
चलिए come. मेरा एक सवाल just it happened to me because we are going to so many places, meeting so many artists. So I met some Sardarji. and he was conducting a workshop at IFIX about AI.
Okay.
So I told him, what is this? So the sir who was there, a nice intelligent man, he said, I'm from an advertising background. So he says, because of advertising, I've also run my advertising agency, so I could understand. Suppose you need a place, you need a model, suppose it's a jewelry shoot, So he said, because of AI, जो वो setup लगाने में खर्चा होता था वो सब बच जा रहा. Now you can visualize. So what do you think is AI? How do you visualize AI? Because today everybody, प्रधानमंत्री को लेके मंत्री कोई भी सब AI की बात कर रहे हैं. They think this is the next big thing.
People are going to use it.
Yes.
Everything is going to be very fast, But it won't stay for long because creativity is something which humans can, it cannot surpass human brain,
Yes.
It's not possible because we have to feed the AI.
Right.
So it's not going to be, it will stay, it will make things easier for many people and many people are going to lose jobs also because of this.
Wonderful.
So
we'll come to this side. Please come. We'll just wind it up now.
Yeah.
So my question tha that since you have so much a long career, so do you also teach or you're planning to?
No, I was teaching. I taught for almost 20 years.
Okay. Kahan pe?
I was teaching in school, then I was going to colleges also, College of Art, to Jamia Millia.
Wonderful.
Classes.
Yes,
weekly
yes.
Classes. But I resigned because I thought I should devote more time to my work.
Good.
Because teaching takes a lot of your energy,
Right.
And then I have a legacy behind me, so I thought I must do something.
Yeah.
I don't want to just...
Your father must be a real veteran, to put it that,
He was one of the top
Unka, what is his, where did he start from, which city or?
He came from Kashmir. My
Kashmir,
father-
oh really?
Yeah,
So originally you guys were?
Originally I'm from Kashmir.
Kashmir, good.
But we are now settled here.
All right. Wonderful. So nice, I think. So I'll just at the end of it say that this exhibition is open at Triveni. The timings are 11, I believe. 11 to
8 p.m.
to 8 p.m. So anybody who's watching, please do come here, meet the artist in person, and do write your comments in the video. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yep.